Previously on The Fattest Fat Loser, the contestants got real.
Moi has always considered myself pleasantly plump. That is till I shattered Kermit's pelvis. Ah! Get off of me, you f***ing wildebeest!
My brother, Luigi, and me, we used to be the same. But after a few years, if I don't change my ways, this is what the doctors project I will look like. I've gained so much weight, I can't even fit in Rabbit's hole anymore. What? I just want to lick my balls one more time, or at least be able to see them. Wait, I hate Mondays.
Follow your heart, baby, you're a star. A disgusting bastard.
The Fattest Fat Loser. Gross.
I've made little girls self-conscious about their bodies for decades. That makes me the perfect trainer for this show. Of course, I am hungry all the time, so I can get a little irritable. Double time, Super Lardio!
I can do this all day.
Then why are you still fat? So sorry. Follow your dreams, you fat f***. Sorry, find your shining star.
Vous would like to spar with moi? I am a 4th degree black belt, sweetie.
You have to shatter their delusions before you can reach them. The way my delusion of ever eating another tiramisu was shattered at age 12. If you thought fitness trainer Barbie was a hard ass, you haven't seen Kung Fu Barbie.
Oh, yeah?
I don't care how you lose weight! We've had a real breakthrough here today, Miss Piggy. You'll push a wheelbarrow full of your trigger food up to the top of this hill, where you'll dump your payload into the fire, symbolically saying goodbye to your former fat-ass lives, and giving you the strength to leave your codependent relationship. You hear that, Ken? I don't need you anymore! Please call me.
Last fall, Eeyore lost his long battle with depression. And for you, Eeyore, hung himself with his own tail.
And boom!
Wow, I'm in the lead. I have lost weight. This is rewriting the book on Mondays. My balls! Hey, there's nothing in here. John, you ate my balls!
I won! I'm roasting out here.
Oh, is that my mama's prosciutto? Just the one. Hey, no, this is my prosciutto, mama! Oh, stop and fluff! Wait! Let her cook. Oh, she does smell delicious.
Miss Piggy, your final weight loss is 174 pounds! The rest of you have gained a combined 174 pounds. Miss Piggy, you